In today's video, we will be learning Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shiny Narang and in today's video, we will be learning Anulom Vilom Pranayam. हम आज के वीडियो में अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम सीखेंगे जो कि योगा का सबसे बैलेंसिंग प्राणायाम कहा जाता है. इट्स द मोस्ट बैलेंसिंग प्राणायाम बिकॉज इट बैलेंसेस टू साइड्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी, द मैस्कुलिन साइड एंड द फेमिनिन साइड. यस, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ आवर जेंडर, चाहे आप मेल हो या फीमेल, हर एक के पास दोनों एनर्जीज होती हैं, मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी और फेमिनिन एनर्जी. द मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी इज नीडेड to execute, to do a task, which we receive from Lord Surya. हमें मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी मिलती है सन से, सूरज से, और ये हमें कार्य करने में मदद करती है. एंड द फेमिनिन एनर्जी इज नीडेड टू फील, टू एक्सप्रेस, टू आइडिएट, टू विजुअलाइज, टू कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज. तो किसी भी काम को करने से पहले उसके बारे में हम सोचते हैं, प्लान करते हैं, आइडिएट करते हैं. दैट इज़ ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द फेमिनिन एनर्जी एंड वी रिसीव दिस फ्रॉम मून, जो हमें चंद्रमा से मिलती है. दिस पर्टिकुलर प्राणायाम, अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, गिव्स अस बोथ. ये हमें फेमिनिन एनर्जी और मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी दोनों देता है और दोनों को बैलेंस में लेके आता है. To do this, we will understand the concept of nadis. Nadis are the energy channels in the body. There are 72,000 nadis in the body, 72,000 energy channels. But there are three primary nadis that we have in us. One is the sun, one is the moon, and one is the middle one. The sun energy channel or Surya Nadi is called Pingala. The feminine or the moon energy center or the nadi is called Ida. And there's one in the middle that's called Sushumna, which is a combination or the balance of both. So when we practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam, we choose to alternate from one nadi to the other. From the feminine to the masculine, then the masculine to the feminine. From the moon to the sun, then sun to the moon. We alternate between these two important energy channels so that eventually the breath and the energy of the body starts to flow in the middle energy channel called the Sushumna Nadi. So this is the science behind Anulom Vilom Pranayam. We'll be practicing this pranayam now. So I would request you to start by taking a cushion or a pillow or a block and use that block or a cushion to sit on it. Naturally, your spine will become straight and it will be easy for you to sit for a longer duration without any discomfort. So let's begin this practice of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Take any comfortable sitting position with the legs. If you are sitting on a chair also, that's fine as well. Rest your hands on the knees. Touch the first finger to the thumb. Placing your hands in Chit Mudra on the knees, palms facing towards the sky. Keep the spine straight, shoulders are relaxed, and gently close your eyes. Start by observing your breath. Inhale and exhale. सारा ध्यान अपनी सांसों पे ले आएंगे. Slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Now just experience how your breath is flowing through the nostril. focus on the left nostril, which is the moon energy or the feminine energy or the cooling energy. Observe your left nostril, your Ida Nadi, and now slowly switch and observe your right nostril, the sun energy, the masculine energy, the Pingala Nadi. Simply observe your breath in the Pingala Nadi, the right nostril. You can gently open the eyes. Now let's understand the mudra that we'll be using to alternate between the two sides. So we will take Vishnu Mudra. We'll close the first two fingers and open the last two fingers of the right hand and keep the thumb of the right hand also open. To switch between the two nostrils and two sides of the body, we will use the right hand's thumb and the last two fingers. So first, we always inhale from the left, always the feminine first. And then take the breath from the left side, exhale from the right. For first round, we will do this together. So make this Vishnu Mudra with your hand. The other hand, the left hand is on the knee in the Chin Mudra. We'll begin by placing the right thumb on the right nostril and inhale from the left. Now once you feel fully inhaled, that this is your maximum that you have already inhaled, now use your last two fingers to cover the left nostril. Open the right thumb, let the breath go out from the right nostril. Once you feel you're fully exhaled, again inhale from the right again. Use your thumb to close the right, open the fingers and exhale from the left. Beautiful. This completes one round of Anulom Vilom. So you start from left, exhale from the right, inhale from right again and finish by exhaling from the left. So left to right, right to left. This is the flow of the breath. We will do few more rounds of this. Try to keep your spine straight so the breath can go deep into the body and take your time while doing this. Okay, so let's begin. Covering the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale from the left. Close the left with the fingers. Open the thumb, exhale from the right. Once you fully exhale, inhale from right again. And exhale from the left. फिर से दोबारा लेफ्ट साइड से सांस भरेंगे for the next round. Take the breath in from the left again, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. If you feel tired, you can give a pause to this practice. अगर आपको थकान महसूस हो रही है या आपको लग रहा है सांस चढ़ रही है तो 1 मिनट के लिए रुक जाएं, ऑब्जर्व करें अपनी ब्रेथ को, come back to a normal breathing. But if you feel absolutely comfortable, if the body is relaxed, then we will continue this practice for few more rounds. हम कुछ और rounds करेंगे, एक के बाद दूसरा continuation में, बिना रुके. So let's do that. Closing the right nostril again with the right thumb. Inhale from the left. Close the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Continue. Inhale from the left. Keep going. This time when you're breathing in and breathing out, try to breathe in and breathe out in the same ratio, which means if you are breathing in for 5 counts, breathe out for 5 counts. Every inhalation and every exhalation in the beginning needs to be same. जितना आप सांस अंदर भर रहे हैं, उतना ही बाहर छोड़ें. And continue your practice. Switching between the right and the left and the right, slowly, very gently. Now, try to make your breath soundless, बिना आवाज़ के. Try and breathe in so softly that you should not be able to hear your own breath. आपको अपनी खुद की सांस की आवाज़ भी ना सुनाई दे, इतना सूक्ष्म, इतना धीरे सांस भरिए. Very slow, very gentle, so that there is no effort, no sound, no pressure. Simple inhalation, slow exhalation. धीरे से सांस भरेंगे और धीरे से सांस को बाहर जाने देंगे. If you feel you've understood the breathing, you can bring the hand down. अपने हाथ को आप नीचे लेके आ सकते हैं और मन में अपनी mental power से, with the help of your mind, you can still do the same pranayam without using your fingers and hand. तो ये प्राणायाम आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं बिना अपने हाथ का और अपनी उंगलियों का इस्तेमाल किए. Focus on your left nostril. Inhale from the left through the mind and exhale from the right. Then inhale from the right. In your mind, give that instruction to your breath that now it's time to exhale from the left. So you can continue to breathe in Anulom Vilom while you're sitting straight without using your hand. This is the position where your neck and your shoulders are relaxed. Your nose is also relaxed. आपका नाक एकदम relaxed है, बीच में है. The idea is to not press the nostril. The ideal way of doing Anulom Vilom is not pushing the nostril with the fingers, just to keep the nose in the center so that the breath can touch to the inner parts of your nasal cavity towards the head, and then it goes deep into the body. So take your time to do this mentally without using the hand if possible. Now this time when you exhale from the left nostril, you can relax and give rest to this effort of doing Anulom Vilom and come back to normal breathing. Just observe how your body wants to breathe now. आपका मन, आपका शरीर इस समय एकदम शांत है. The mind is relaxed. The body is relaxed. So let the body be still and simply observe. Experience the free flow of the breath. Now gently inhale and slowly exhale. Beautiful. To conclude the practice, we will bring the palms together. Rub your palms. दोनों हाथों को मलेंगे आंखें बंद रखते हुए. Once you generate enough warmth in the palms, gently cover the eyes. Blink your eyes softly and slowly look at your palms. Thank you so much. I hope you're feeling centered, balanced and at ease with this beautiful practice of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. आपको महसूस होगा कि आप एकदम शांत, balanced, grounded महसूस कर रहे हैं इस practice के बाद. You can do this pranayam for minimum 5 to 7 minutes and maximum up to hours. इसकी कोई अपर लिमिट नहीं है. आप कितनी देर भी इसका प्रयास, इसका अभ्यास कर सकते हैं. और make sure that you practice this on an empty stomach if possible. आपके पेट में खाना नहीं होना चाहिए. और if you have had your food, then at least keep a gap of 3 hours between the practice of this pranayam and your meal. कम से कम खाने के बीच में और इस अभ्यास के बीच में 3 घंटे का गैप होना ज़रूरी है. So follow this and the rest of the time you can practice it in all seasons, in all conditions. It is one pranayam which is so beautiful that it is always gonna give you the feeling of balance and stability. So with this we have come to the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, namaste.